Yo, what's up producers, it's your boy Mikasa here, and in this video we will check out the new loop pack that I just published. It's called Midnight and it's based on sad loops, sad chords and stuff like that. So let's get started and let's check out this loop. As you can see, I'm here in the membership, so we will just download it right now, see what will we get and stuff. As you can see, it's here. As I said in the previous video, whenever I drop something new, it will appear here on the left side. Whatever new comes here, it will appear in the left side in this timeline. So let's download it. Okay, let's click here to download. You can see how to use this DAW and stuff like that, but I will always make a video, a special video for each loop, so no worries. Okay, let's see, it's downloading right now. Okay, so I'm just going to click here, show more, and let's wait. Okay, it's done. Let's show location. It's our beat, so right click here. I'm just going to extract. Okay, this is the folder, and here are the loops. Very simple, really easy. There are the loops, and if you want some loops, I can create for you, and I can publish it on the membership, so you can download it. Let's check out some of these loops. Some of them are really simple, and you will have enough space to add your counter melodies. Let's check out. It's a piano. So these are like a sad, emotional loops. They're really simple, really cool. So let's use actually some loop right now and let's make a beat. This one is cool. Let's use this one. So let's drag it. Oh, sorry. Let's drag it in FL Studio right now, like here. So it says 92 BPM. So let's make this 92. Great. Let's check out this. I can normalize it to be louder a little bit, and now I can just add some variations, more effects, plugins, whatever. But I like this. I like the way it sounds right now. So maybe I can make some fast rap on this one. I can make a dancehall on this one. I can make hip hop on this one. So there's no limit here. There's no limitations here. So maybe I can just make some really fast rap, really simple trap. Let's check it out. Okay, this snare sounds really cool. Maybe let's check it out. Now we can just experiment with these, but I'm just going to make a really simple beat just to see how this loop will fit with this beat. Okay, there goes the kick. Sorry. So let's repeat the pattern. Okay, this is the loops. So you can just drag another loop, you can make with it, but we can make like a, again, different type of beat in this loop, whatever. Maybe I can just add some reverb here and some delay. Oh, sorry, missed. It's on the 6. Let's switch it back on the 5. let's make it shorter a little bit. And we can just put now some 8/8. We can use maybe this one, like a bouncy 8/8. I'm just going to repeat these 8/8 as the kick pattern. So I'm just going to follow kick pattern here. Now we can just use some percussion, counter snares and stuff like that. Maybe something like this. Oh, sorry. Something like this. So there is no limitations here. Let's maybe check how this beat will sound with like a dancehall reggaeton beat. I'm just going to use same drums here. So we're gonna do it like this, like dancehall reggaeton vibe. And that's pretty much it. We can go all the way like this. Now we can just, since we know for a B minor, we can just use some counter notes, some like a piano or stuff like that. We know the key, we know the BPM, we know everything. So we are ready to make the beat. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this beat. I'm going to put the link in the description for this link to download it. And feel free to ask me any questions. Thank you guys for watching, and we're going to see you in the next video. Bye.